Hello developers! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build a simple Android SMS Reader app using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. This app will request SMS permission, read SMS messages from the device, display the sender, message, and date in a clean UI. If you're learning Android development with Kotlin, this project is a great way to understand content providers and runtime permissions. Source code link available in video description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Android development tutorials. See you in the next video.